Hey folks, so this is a really nice simulation to let you just play around with different light rays and what happens kind of thing. So first of all, I'll include the link for this and you can have a wee play around with it. So when you start this, you want to select the normal and select the angles. Now the normal is a really, really important line. It's this line here, and it's called the normal because you might know in maths the norm is 90 degrees to something. So the normal is a line that is always drawn as dash line, and it is always 90 degrees to whatever it is that the light is hitting. So remember, we call this thing the light hits the interface. So the normal is always 90 degrees to it, and we draw it before we do our experiments. Now, to show you what you can do, we've got two materials, air and glass, and I've chosen air to be the one that the light's going through and the glass that the light's going to go through. So we just switch this on and we get this lovely diagram, and you can see if you move this around you can change the angle. What I want you to notice is that it doesn't matter what angle you use, you always get the same angle of incidence and reflection. Okay, I'm not too bothered about the angle of refraction just now because we're not really doing that, but hopefully you can see quite beautifully that it doesn't matter what angle you have, you always get the same angle of incidence and refraction. And you can try it with different kind of colors of white, you still get the same thing. You could even do it as a wave instead of a ray, but you can see you get the same thing all the time, folks. Okay, you can try it with different refractive indices, so you could do it with water, and you could do it from water into glass. Okay, you can see you get the same effect each time. Um, so feel free to have a wee play of this and see what you think. If you want, you can do other kind of experiments as well down the bottom. And there's lots of wee toys and things for you to try. So have a play around with that, folks.